Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with cursors in Officer library. So what cursors actually are? You could imagine them as pointers towards a certain element in our documents. So why they are useful for? Let's say that you would like to add some element at a particular location, or that you would like to remove certain element from your document. Well, with cursors that is very much possible. Not only possible but easy. And let me show you this document that we are going to operate with in this tutorial. So just a simple piece of text, one title and 4 paragraphs. How we are going to use our cursors? First function that you would like to see is cursor begin. If we print this out, you are going to see that our cursor have selected the very first element, title. Let me show you how that looks like in this document. You see, we have selected this title. And how to select the last element from this document? With function cursor end. And if we run this code, you see we have selected the last paragraph. Let me show you in this document. Yes. And we could actually move around. If we run this code now, you see we have selected one paragraph above the last one. And if we use begin and forward, we are going to select first paragraph. So our first paragraph is actually second element. We have selected the title with the cursor begin, and with cursor forward we have moved our selection to first paragraph. And let's say that we would like to remove this first paragraph from our document. How to do that? With our cursor pointing at this element, we are going to call function body remove, and we are going to provide document as argument. And finally we are going to use function print to write this out. And if we run this code, I'm going to close this previous document and I'm going to open this one. And as you see, there is no first paragraph. And what if we would like to add another paragraph at its place? Let me show you how to do that. First, we are going to remove this function cursor backwards, because we want to insert text immediately after the title. And we are going to do that with function body add pair, document replacement and style. I'm going to remove this piece of code and I'm going to run this code. And yes, we have our replacement. And now I would like to show you how to do another interesting thing with cursors. For example, what if you would like to select a particular paragraph from your document and you would like to use regular expressions for it? Well, first of all, this is not a tutorial about the regular expression. If you want to know more about that subject, you are free to check my other episodes. And now I'm going to show you this function that is going to help you to search your document for certain pattern. We are going to provide document as first argument, and now with this optional argument keyword we are going to provide our regular expression pattern. But firstly, let me show you something. We would like to select this paragraph that contains these numbers. How we are going to do that? Usually with regular expression, when we are looking for numbers, we are going to use this pattern. 0 to 9, multiple of them. And I want to print that out. If we run this code, you see, we are still at our title, so this kind of code doesn't work. But if you provide here this escape character D, and if you run this code, you see we have selected our paragraph with numbers. Why previous method doesn't work, I'm not quite sure, but you could use this kind of replacement and everything is going to work quite well. So this would be all about this episode. If you are satisfied with content, please subscribe and see ya!